Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I would like to share with you my upcoming online class for August 2024. In this class we will be creating 5 beautiful handmade cards. This is a small change from my past classes. To sign up for this class, please use the Google form, and I will link it up here in the corner, or you can visit my blog, and the link for that is below in the description box. During this class, we will be learning 5 different decorative mask techniques, one for each card. The masks that we'll be using have been designed to work perfectly with coordinating stamp sets and dies. They are the Enduring Beauty Bundle. It's coordinating dies, and then here are the masks. And they are layering masks. So you get masks for flowers, you get masks for leaves, and then you even get some like details inside. They're really beautiful and really fun to play around with. The second bundle is the Layers of Beauty bundle. This is a new bundle that came out with the new catalog, and it also has coordinating dies and then those layering decorative masks. So you can see here that they've got flowers and leaves as well. So really fun, and you'll definitely want to purchase one of these 2 bundles to be able to make the cards for this class. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the cards now. Here are the cards we will be creating for this class. Each of these cards show different ways to use the decorative masks with the coordinating stamp sets. There are 5 different techniques I will share in this class. These cards show the 1 color blending. This one is 2 color blending. We also have a watercolor technique. We'll be using a little embossing paste. And then I'll also be showing how you can add highlights and shadows. Along with the different techniques, I will be showing 5 different layouts that you can use when stamping with large images. These layouts are easy to reproduce and can be used with many different large stamps. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock refill kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. Get the details on my blog, and the link is below in the description. I am so excited to make these cards with you. I can hardly wait. I hope you decide to join me. It will be an amazing class. This class will run from Monday, August 12th through Saturday, August 17th. We will meet each day during the week to make one of the 5 cards. On the last day of class, I have a surprise bonus project that I will be sharing. This class is open to everyone, customers and demonstrators. Participants can join me live at 10 a.m. Mountain Time for the sessions during the week, or they can watch the replay videos at their leisure. The class fee is $35, and you can register through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the direct link is below in the description. Registration for this class closes on Sunday, July 28th, so sign up as soon as possible to reserve your spot. When you sign up, you will receive a class kit. This kit is only available to participants in the United States. If you live outside of the US, you can choose the tutorial-only option. This kit will include cardstock, card bases, and envelopes for 5 cards. No pre-cut shapes will be included. 6 6x6 sheets of Country Lace Designer Series paper, a new full pack of rhinestone basic jewels, and a new roll of silver white sheer ribbon. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I'll be offering a cardstock refill kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. It includes all the cardstock, envelopes, and designer series paper to make another set of cards. It does not include the rhinestones or ribbon. You will have enough of these items left over to make more cards. You can purchase as many of either kit as you would like, so get the details on my blog. Please note that I reserve the right to switch products based on availability. Substituted products will be of similar value and keep the integrity of the design. All of my online classes are live, and you can watch them through a private Facebook group or with a private YouTube link. We will have 6 live sessions scheduled at 10 a.m. Mountain Time each day during the week. In each session, I will walk you through how to make the project for that day and show you the techniques needed. If you are able to join me live, you can also ask questions and get personal help. These video sessions will be recorded and will be available after so that you can watch the replay at any time. I will also be providing written PDFs with step-by-step instructions for each project to everyone. If you cannot join me live, you can choose to have the private video link and written PDF sent to your email so that you can complete the projects at any time. To participate in this class and complete these cards, you will need to have these supplies. They will not be provided to you in your class kit. These items are listed in the class details on my blog. If you need to purchase any of these items, please purchase them through my online store and use the host code provided on my blog. You will want to choose a stamp set or bundle to work with. Now, the Layers of Beauty is the new stamp set that came in the that's part of the annual catalog that just came out, and so you can purchase this as a bundle with the coordinating dies and the layering decorative masks. So that is a bundle option. However, the Enduring Beauty is no longer a bundle, so you'll need to purchase these separately. So you can find the item numbers for that below, but you can get the Enduring Beauty stamp set as well as the Enduring Beauty dies and then the decorative masks. Okay, so this one is no longer a bundle, but you can still get it. They just have to purchase them separately. So that's option number 2. You will also want to have some other dies. Now, the Spotlight on Nature is one of my favorites, and for one of the cards, we're using a large shape die. And you can use any shape. I'm just going to do the circles from this dies. So we're only using it once. So if you don't already have this, you can look through your stash and see if you can find a large shape die. That's what you're looking for on that one. And then for the Layers of Beauty, there are no label dies in this set that coordinates, and so you'll want to find some sort of label die that coordinates with the greetings that you're going to use. Okay, so make sure that it fits. If you're using Enduring Beauty, this one does have a label that comes with the dies, so you don't need to worry about the label dies if you're using Enduring Beauty. So I hope that made sense, those products there. You will also want to have these colors of ink. There are Pretty in Pink, Old Olive, Peach Pie, Petunia Pop, Misty Moonlight, and then the new Basic Beige, as well as the Memento Black. Along with that, and working now with the techniques that we'll be playing with, you'll want to have some blending brushes. And I have both the regular and the small size, but you'll want one for each color. So that's 5 blending brushes. You will also want to have some embossing paste. I have just the regular embossing paste. You could also use the glitter, doesn't really matter. And then make sure to have those palette knives so that you can apply those to the decorative masks. We'll be doing some watercoloring, so you'll want to get the water painters, or you can just use a small watercolor brush and a cup of water. That works as well. And then for one of our last techniques, we're going to be adding shadows and highlights, so you'll need to have some colored pencils. And I'm going to just use the watercolor pencils that Stampin' Up has, but what I'm looking for is a black and a gray color. And then you'll also need to have a white gel pen. This is my favorite. It's Jelly Roll, and I like this size 10. You can get this in a pack on Amazon, and I do have a link for that in my blog as well. So go ahead and jump over there if you don't have a white gel pen that you like. Then some optional items. You will probably want to have a heat tool. This will speed up the heating process for a lot of our techniques so that you can kind of keep working along with me. If you don't have it, that's okay. You'll just be waiting a little longer. And then something to stamp your large images with. I have my Stamparatus that is currently retired, and I do love it. I still use it, especially with these large stamps. It really makes it nice and easy to get a good image. So if you have a stamp positioning tool, definitely want to use that. And then another thing that I like to use my Stamparatus with are the decorative masks. And what I do is after I stamp it, I like to put the mask in place and then hold it in place with these strong magnets. So I will be using my Stamparatus a lot. So if you have something that you can use that's similar, that would be great. Or if you still have your Stamparatus from when it was current, definitely pull that out for this class. Here are the tools and adhesives you will need for the class. You will definitely want your paper trimmer. We're going to be trimming down some papers to get some exact sizes. You will also want your take a pick tool, Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, ribbon scissors, paper snips, a Simply Chamois or some other way to clean your stamps, a bone folder, coordinating clear blocks, mini Stampin' Dimensionals or the regular size, whichever you prefer, and as well as Stampin' Seal or Stampin' Seal Plus. Then you'll need your mini glue dots, maybe some tear and tape and liquid adhesive. Just whatever adhesives are your favorite, definitely make sure to have enough of those on hand for the class. I am so excited for this class and hope that you decide to join me. Sign up today through my blog, and that is creativechelsea.com, and the link is also found in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.